Most creators who star on OnlyFans have big dreams, clear goals, and the courage to take the leap, but most of them still fail, and it's not because they're not attractive, not working hard, or not creative enough. It's because they follow broken advice, chase the wrong strategies, and treat their business like a guessing game instead of a system. I've watched so many smart, talented creators give up after a few months, wondering why their posts got no traction, why their fans didn't stay, or why they were working non-stop with no growth to show for it. And the truth is, success on OnlyFans is not just about looks or luck, it's about building structure, habits, and value that compound over time. So today, I'm going to share the top reasons most creators fail, and how you can avoid every single one of them with simple steps, whether you're just starting or already building your brand. Let's begin with the first and biggest reason: no clear brand identity. Most creators post what they think people want instead of building a unique character or vibe that feels real and consistent. If you're trying to be everything to everyone, you end up being forgettable. You need to decide who you are on your page. Are you the shy girl next door? The bold, confident fantasy? The clever, flirty comedian? Pick a lane and lean in hard. When you have a clear identity, your content becomes easier to create, easier to market, and easier for fans to connect with. It's not about being fake, it's about being focused. The second reason creators fail is trying to go viral instead of going deep. Social media tricks creators into chasing likes and views instead of building real relationships. You might get 100,000 views on a trending post and still not convert a single fan if that content isn't tied into your brand story. Instead of hoping one post blows up, focus on depth. Reply to comments, thank your supporters, follow up with fans, and make your early subscribers feel like VIPs. Growth from one loyal fan is worth more than growth from 100 ghost followers. Now the third reason creators fail is not having a funnel. This is where beginners fall off fast and even advanced creators hit a wall. A funnel is just the path your audience takes from seeing your content to becoming a subscriber and eventually a buyer. Without a funnel, your content is a dead end. With one, it's a journey. That means you need a plan for every step: what they see first, what link they click, what freebie or teaser they get, how you message them after they join, and how you offer value over time. Funnels don't have to be complex, they just need to be clear. The fourth reason creators fail is inconsistency. Not just in posting, but in tone, energy, and effort. Some weeks they're active, others they vanish. Some days their messages are friendly, others they sound robotic. Consistency builds trust. Even if you only post a few times a week, do it on schedule. Even if you only message once a day, make it intentional. If you're off and on all the time, fans get confused and lose interest. Now let's talk about the fifth reason creators fail, which is treating OnlyFans like social media and not like a business. On social media, you post for fun, wait for engagement, and hope for reactions. But OnlyFans is a paid platform. Your subscribers are customers. That means you need to track your income, review your content performance, set monthly goals, and test new offers. A business has plans and systems. Social media has vibes and guesses. Choose wisely. The sixth reason creators fail is copying instead of learning. It's easy to scroll through popular creators and think you should do exactly what they're doing, but what works for them might not work for your audience. Instead, study why it works. Don't copy their posts, study their structure, their rhythm, their offers. Then adapt it to fit your brand. This makes your strategy sustainable and original. Now here's a funny one. The seventh reason creators fail is what I call the link jungle. They post 10 different links in 10 places with no strategy. A fan clicks and ends up confused or lost. Your link flow should be simple and clean. One main link that takes fans where you want them to go. Use smart link in bio tools, and test the path yourself. If it feels confusing to you, it's definitely confusing to your audience. The eighth reason creators fail is ignoring fan retention. They spend all their energy getting new subs but do nothing to keep them. But the real money is made when fans stay month after month. To keep fans, you need underlying value. That could be weekly updates, custom content, messages, polls, games, surprise drops, or just regular shoutouts. Fans need to feel noticed, not just charged. A simple message that says "glad you're still here" can go a long way. The ninth reason is pricing confusion. Some creators charge too little and burn out trying to make ends meet, while others charge too much without building trust first. The key is starting where your value matches your price, then offering options to upgrade. Entry-level pricing with premium add-ons works better than charging a high flat rate and hoping people stick around. Always give people a reason to stay or a reason to spend more. Now let's get into the 10th reason creators fail: ignoring data. Your content tells a story through numbers. Which posts get the most views? Which messages get the most clicks? Which fans tip more? These clues help you grow faster. If you post random content and ignore performance, you can improve. But if you treat your content like a test lab, you learn what works and why. And now here's a bonus insight that's rarely talked about: creators fail when they try to do everything themselves forever. Delegation is key. Whether it's hiring someone to help with editing, automating your messages, outsourcing graphics, or getting help with strategy, you don't have to do it all alone. The more you grow, the more you need support. Success is a team sport, even if your brand looks solo. And now for our second funny moment. Never ask your cousin to proofread your tip menu if they don't know what it is. You might end up with titles like Grandma's Mystery Dessert and never recover. And third and final laugh: don't send a mass message that says hi first name because you forgot to update your placeholder. Robots don't make fans feel seen, but that one definitely made some fans giggle. So how do you avoid failure and grow with purpose? You focus on clarity, not chaos. You build systems, not just vibes. You stay human while using smart tools. And you treat your business like it matters, because it does. This space has room for every kind of creator, but only the ones who combine creativity with strategy will last. If this helped you think differently, or gave you one idea that made something click, show your support by liking the video like it just unlocked your biggest month, subscribing for more videos that mix real talk with real growth, and sharing it with a friend who's just starting or just stuck. If you want help building the systems that make your growth easier, book a call with me, join our school community, or reach out for custom consulting so we can build a plan that actually works for your goals. And if you're still here at the end, I'll leave you with this: failing isn't the end, it's just a feedback loop, and feedback is gold when you know what to do with it. Now go apply what you learned, and don't forget to check out the next video, because you never know which one turns the light bulb on.